Ram just dropped the new Lunar Special Edition for the 1500 Rebel and 1500 TRX. The 1500 Rebel Lunar Edition combines the new paint with a Rebel graphic on the hood and bed, while the badges are finished in black. It can also be visually distinguished thanks to the glossy black 18-inch wheels, as well as the dark grille and front bumper. To sweeten the pot, Ram throws in the Rebel Level 2 equipment group and installs the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine. It costs $70,310 plus $1,895 for destination charges. The 1500 TRX Lunar Edition comes with the Level 2 equipment group as well. It also gets the same supercharged 6.2-liter V8 from the normal TRX. Interestingly, Ram does add special surf blue accent stitching and the carbon fiber package, which features a flat-bottom steering wheel and real carbon fiber trim. The Lunar Edition also gets 18-inch beadlock-capable wheels, a dual-pane panoramic sunroof, a spray-in bedliner, cargo tie-downs, and an LED cab-mounted brake light. The 1500 TRX requires the same destination fee on top of an MSRP of $106,445.